Hi, my name is Natalia and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And this video is going to be a little bit different than most of my other videos because I wanted you to think about opportunities, different courses of action that you can take if you're seeing a slowdown in your traditional real estate foreclosure, tax deed, landlord tenancy kind of acquisitions and investments, and what other opportunities there are for you during this time to make sure that your business is impacted as little as possible, or that you just create new opportunities or limit the financial burdens that you might experience during this economic recession that is being created as a result of COVID. So, a few things that you can think about are: this is a great time to renegotiate your leases, especially if you have excellent tenants who might be having difficult economic times. You might want to think about short-term lease adjustments to them for them. Same thing if you are a commercial tenant, you might want to think about renegotiating your tenancy agreement for the short term. You might want to think about modifications to your loan agreements for the houses that you currently rent and have refinance. You might want to talk to your lenders about adjusting those terms, whether it's short term, long term. This provides a great opportunity because there's a lot of pressure to provide that flexibility and those opportunities for relief economically so that we don't impact the economy negatively in the long term. Other things that you might want to think about, again, I've mentioned briefly in another of our videos, is the application of the bridge gap loans through the state of Florida, or the application of the SBA Small Business Disaster Relief loans that are currently available to every state in the United States. Also, renegotiating your sale and purchase contracts. Would you rather lower the price of a current sale by a couple of $1,000s in order to make sure the sale goes through, or risk that property being put back into the market and waiting for 60 days or more before you get another offer in? So things to think about there. Renegotiating your leases, renegotiating your loans, negotiating with homeowners associations. Right now, if there's a lot of back due assessments, your homeowner association might be more willing to negotiate on reduction of those fees for a flat sum, simply because there's more pressure on them. They know what could come if everybody defaults on those assessments, so they'd rather get some money than no money. Working on modification of your loans, whether it's on your finance properties or your personal residence. Also, perhaps taking a little bit longer on those searches for those properties that you are thinking about acquiring. That might be something that you might want to do. It's a better protection for yourself. And then also, the other thing that you might want to think about is opportunities in terms of properties that you were never interested in before. You might want to look at, well, maybe I do want to go into that market. Maybe there's something there that I was missing. So take the time that you have now while you're at home to look into those products as well. So good luck out there, investors, and we'll get through this.